And this is... I forgot how to write your last names now. Too. Sophia, look at this way. Derek's mom, okay, real good. Derek's brother, Corey. This is little grandma here. Holy Sophia, that's cute. That is Matt. Oh my God, that won't come good because I'm facing the window. Let me take it this way. Stand by.
Cute. Oh, look what she's got on her leg. Smile.
Oh, hey, you're dressed up. Hey, Nina, let me see you. Come here. Come here, Daddy. Mary, and this is Grandpa. Okay, this is Lori and her grandfather, is it?
Grandfather. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Greetings.
I was going to work out mine, but I'm like, whoa. Hey, you. It's your birthday. Is today the day? No, Tuesday. This coming Tuesday?
Give me the keys, Joe. I got to go get some things.
Not one yet.
Not one yet?
No,
3 more days.
Did you find shoes? Yeah.
Amy?
Yeah.
Give the names so that...
Juanita and Jasmine.
Jasmine, turn around, Jasmine. That's good. That's good.
Oh, I got it.
All right. All right. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute. She's got too close to her. She's hard to photograph. She looks just like Gabe, doesn't she? I missed you last week for Easter. You're going to come over.
I actually saw Beetle Fox.
We missed you, huh? Where'd you go for Easter?
Oh, I was at Rhonda's for Easter.
Oh. Did you have a good Easter?
Yeah.
Did you have an Easter egg done?
Guess what? I got a bunch of M&Ms.
Greetings.
Presents in hand. Have they already done presents? Oh, we're doing them now.
Michael.
Yeah, I just ironed it.
What do we have there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
14,
Yay! Let's hear your counting.
1, 2, 3.
4,
5.
6. Hey, what are you doing? Tell me what we did. What'd you do today, Sophia?
Tuesday.
You remember?
I got present. I got present. Yo. I got present. Yo.
Oh.
I got present. Yo. I got present. Yo. Yo. I got.
Hey, Sophia. You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
What song? Sing your Rockabye Baby. Mr. Rockabye. That's scary. Did we go to the Children's Museum today? What'd you do there?
I don't in there. Nothing. I don't. Face.
What did they do to your face?
Paint my face.
Yeah, you got your face painted.
Fake paint. Got my fake paint.
Yeah. Is that fun?
Fun. Not fun.
What else did you do?
I see a doe and there dolphin.
On a dolphin? Did you look under those rocks?
I look rocks.
What was under them? What?
What rock in there? On my neck.
What's on your neck?
What on my neck? What on my neck?
You saw a clown?
Yeah. It was happy.
Happy?
Happy.
Tell your mom that Marilee hid Easter eggs and pretty soon you're going to go find them. Tell her on that camera. That's Marilee Hill.
Yard out there for you guys to go find in a little. When Hannah and Grace get here,
Did you have?
you can go find them.
I didn't.
There's even some pink.
Older couple that really like it.
Puts it back.
I don't know what's in there.
Birds, it's kind of cold out here.
Can you get it, Sophia? Hurry! Hurry, Grace, they're finding them.
What are you looking for in there?
Looking for my egg. Tiny blue lady.
Did you have a good Easter?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Well, I said play with the sand. I just looked my egg blue egg.
You're looking for a blue egg?
Yeah, blue egg.
I think we put away all the candy since Easter's over.
I put it away. It's over.
Mm-hmm.
It's over, Mama Heather.
Mm-hmm. Did Grandma Heather just come over?
Yeah.
What did you do with her?
I played with her rock pictures.
With her pictures?
Yeah.
Is it fun? Hey, show me your room. What kind of stuff do you have in here?
Toys.
Some toys?
Toys.
Just toys?
Yeah.
Show me your kitchen. that your kitchen?
Yeah.
And this is your bed?
Yeah.
And this is your favorite story?
Yeah.
You like your room?
I'm just sitting there. Watch.
Oh. What are you doing up there?
I'm just sitting.
You are?
Yeah.
You like being up high up there?
Very careful.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful,
I just sit on there.
huh?
I just sit there.
You gotta be careful. No, I don't think so. Sophia, no. How'd you get up there?
I sit up there.
You get up to your present? Sophia.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
Wish for a horse.
We'll play together.
It was actually funny. I'll get something to drink.
Oh, who's that from? Sophia, did you get that for your birthday?
Pedal. Put your feet on the pedal. You have to learn how to do it.
Whoa.
That's right. Push, push. Push with your foot. Push hard. Push. Good.
Did you see her when she stopped?
No.
She went like this.
For like 5 minutes. You like it? That's my last. That's from Grandma Heather. You got a peewee bike.
Oh my gosh, look too, you ring the bell. That is awesome, babe.
Flexible flyer.
How does the bell work?